In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your name on your Upwork profile effortlessly. Whether you've had a legal name change or just want to tweak your profile for consistency, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started by navigating to the Upwork website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Upwork URL, or simply search for it on Google to land on the homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to ensure a smooth login process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on your profile. Locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. This is your gateway to a range of personalized settings and preferences within Upwork. Click on your profile and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Account Settings. This will direct you to the section where you can make changes to various aspects of your account. Within the account settings, navigate to the tab that says Account. This is where you'll have the ability to make necessary adjustments to your personal information. Here, you will find an Edit icon next to your current name. Click on this icon to enable editing mode. Once you're in editing mode, you can simply erase the existing information in the name field and input your new name. It's important to double-check the spelling and format of your new name to prevent any errors. After entering your new name, look for a Save or Update button, which is usually located near the edited field. Clicking this button will confirm the changes you've made and update your profile accordingly. Make sure to wait for a confirmation message or check your updated profile to ensure your name change has been successfully processed. And there you have it. You've updated your name on Upwork. This simple process not only helps in keeping your professional identity current, but also ensures that your profile aligns with your external documents and branding efforts. Remember, maintaining an updated and accurate profile is crucial, especially in a professional networking space like Upwork. By following these easy steps, you can manage your profile with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. If you have any questions or face issues while updating your name, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Upwork support for additional guidance. Happy freelancing and see you in the next video.